I mean, I've risked 60 grand. I made around 140 grand. And overall, since last week, Monday, I'm up more than 6% with 380,000. And for the last 4 weeks, I'm up around 20% with 14 trades that I took, and I only lost 4 of them. Yo, what's up, traders? Hope you all having a great time. It's Raphael back at the charts again, and in today's video, I want to talk about a trade that I've shared with the free Telegram channel yesterday. On Monday, we took this sell on gold on Monday, and yeah, I've shared it in the free Telegram channel. So if you're first time here, you're not in the free Telegram channel yet, check the link in the description, join the free chat. I'm sharing trading ideas and giveaways and all that good stuff in there. So make sure to check it out. And yeah, we took this sell position on gold, guys, and I want to go over why I took the sell. First of all, I was more interested in a buy early New York session, but the problem was that I was not on my laptop, so I was in the garage of my mechanic. I was there for the Buick. I was checking it out to fix the engine and stuff. So I couldn't enter the buy opportunity, but I want to go over it real quick why I would have bought this market. Because I've shared this idea with the inner circle. I told them, let me show you real quick. I told them here, as you can see, I was on my phone. I was like, it looks like gold is about to reverse to the upside. Waiting for pullback to buy. Because we already had on the smaller time frame, we had already had the break of structure, so I was waiting for the pullback to get in. But I didn't took the trade. I was not on my laptop. I couldn't really get the clear entry zone on my phone. I don't know, and I was more busy with the car, so I decided to not trade and just let it go. The opportunity. I mean, the sun will still go up tomorrow. Well, I got into a trade that day, so when I was at home, I checked the charts and I took like the reversal to the other side, late New York session, okay? But first of all, why I wanted to buy this thing? Well, if we look from the bigger picture, here if this was Monday, Friday, Thursday, on Wednesday we had this huge drop to the downside, and we have banked on that trade as well. And then after that, the market was going like crazy. It was moving so quick. And what do we know? If a market moves that quick, if the market moves with an imbalance like that really quick, most of the time it will fill the imbalance before moving up again. So what was happening, guys? Let's check the 5-minute chart. I was marking up the zone here, and this was the last move to the downside. This was the last move to the downside before the market snapped real quick to the upside. So this zone was interesting for me as a reversal zone. And if I'm watching price action closely, as soon as the market enters that zone, then I can see very clearly here, let me show you, that we have broken the structure in here. I mean, we have this downward structure, and then the market clearly broke that structure at this point. So I could have waited for the pullback into the last drop in here. This was the last move to the downside, as you can see. For me on the phone, it was not that clear, so that's why I didn't took that trade. But I want to show you how I could have entered and how some of my students have entered the market. Well, we had this break of structure to the upside. Market was breaking to the upside and then it was pulling back. So if we would have taken the trade in here, stop below that, we could have banked some profits at around 1 to 2 first target, got hit easy, and then if we would have go for a higher target, maybe for 1 to 3 would have be an easy hit as well. Everything else would have been not really stopped out. I mean, if we would have held overnight, we could have easily banked more than that. But I'm not interested in any moves that are moving for too long. I want to get in and out really inside of the session. Like I want to hold maximum like a couple of hours. So I'm really looking for intraday swing. That's what I like. You know, I don't want to hold for more than a day. You know, I wanna get in and out really the same day. I don't want to hold overnight when the session swaps and stuff like that, because the market always has like huge spreads and stuff as soon as the New York session ends and the Asian session begins. So I really want to close my trade before the session ends. So that's why, I mean, I would have like two targets at a 2 to 1 and 3 to 1, something like that. Maybe I would have tried to let it run and run, but I'm sure I would have get stopped out in here as soon as the market dropped back here. You know, I mean, I think a 2 to 1, 3 to 1 would be nice, but I didn't took that trade. I'm sure some of you of the out of the inner circle have taken that trade because I've shared it. But let's talk about the trade that I actually took and why I took it. I mean, as you can see, we had this move to the upside, nice structure, you know, but it was kind of really exhausted. I mean, it was not really moving. I mean, if you see a nice strong move, you see how it moves really strong. You see that? But this one was really exhausted, and we had a nice trend line over here, and I was really expecting at this point, as soon as I saw that we broke the structure, let me show you on the 1 minute chart. As soon as I saw that we broke the structure and we have like a shift in structure, you see that? I mean, we have the broke structure. I mean, this was a less up move, and then we broke it over here. So I was interested in this last move to the upside. I wanted to get an entry in this area here, the last move to the upside, before it started to go to the downside. You know, as soon as I saw that we have a shift in structure. So I was waiting for the break of structure in here, little pullback move, and then I was getting in over here. And yeah, my stop was above that last high, and I was targeting these lows over here. This was my target, all right? And as you can see, the market exactly hit that spot. Not really 100%, but I mean, I took profits right in here. I took that profits because I was holding that trade for a while. You see that? I was getting in around 540 and I was getting out around 10, you know? So it was a really, like, this one has tested my patience a lot. Yeah, I was, as soon as I saw the market moves down, I was scaling it up. So I had a few more positions. I started with 2 positions, then I loaded up a little bit. Unfortunately, within that session, my laptop broke down. I had to restart, so the recording from scratch was not available. But I still have recorded the last piece of the session. Well, we had a really fucked up fake out move, and I was holding them with a stop loss around break even, and it nearly hit my stop. I was losing it a little bit later on to make sure I give the market the chance to really drop again, because we stopped out some guys here and then we fall back down to go for this liquidity over here, and yeah, the market grabbed it. Then after that, it was just shooting up like crazy. Yeah, anyways, we took that sell at around, I mean, I've risked 60 grand. I made around 140 grand, and overall, since last week Monday, I'm up more than 6% with 380,000. And for the last 4 weeks, I'm up around 20% with 14 trades that I took, and I only lost 4 of them, which was last week. Yeah, last week I took 1 loss, and the week before that I took 3 loss. Yeah. But anyways, the week where I took 3 losses, I was going out with break even. Last week I was going out with a nice profit, and this week hopefully we will finish with a nice profit again. Today I was not able to take a trade. I was with my best buddy. I was out for buying a birthday present for my girl's mother. We bought her a nice e-bike, and then we decided to buy ourselves 2 e-mountain bikes as well. Pretty nice, fully suspension mountain bikes. Yeah, we're going to go crazy tomorrow. I'm telling you. Yeah, so this was the trade. I hope some of you have banked on that one. I mean, I've shared it in the free chat. If you're not inside yet, make sure to join the free chat. It's free, man. There's nothing to lose. You can only win. All right. And yeah, if you need some help, feel free to contact me in Telegram. And please only contact me in Telegram. I know there is 1 or 2 mother out there. I don't know where they are, but if I find them, I'm going to whatever. I'm going to them, because they always try to pull people in their WhatsApp chat and then they scam them with some crypto shit. Guys, I'm not trading crypto, alright? I'm only trading Forex. I'm focused on gold, sometimes Euro US dollar, sometimes maybe US 30, but I'm focused on that, and the only way you can reach out to me is Telegram. So please, if you want to talk to me, just use the link in the description, the Telegram link. Contact me privately. I will answer privately, personally, and yeah, I'm here to help you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and I wish you a great day. Stay healthy. Peace out. Thank you for your time. What you know every now and why your body